if you're experiencing login issues on Skyvia, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your credentials. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cached data can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Skyvia's support team for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Skyvia. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.